8924. What is the frequency of an alternator dependent upon? A. Voltage. B. Current. C. Speed, RPM. The correct answer is B. The frequency of the alternating current generated by an aircraft alternator is directly correlated to the rotational speed, RPM, of the alternator. As the alternator spins faster, the frequency of the AC output increases. This relationship is determined by the design and construction of the alternator, as well as the number of poles it possesses. Additionally, the output voltage of the alternator, which is regulated by the aircraft's electrical system, influences the frequency. By controlling the rotational speed and regulating the voltage, the desired frequency can be achieved to ensure compatibility with the aircraft's electrical equipment and systems. 8925. Where is the generator rating and performance data located? A. In the pilot operating handbook. B. Stamped on the generator data plate. C. In the aircraft maintenance manual. The correct answer is B. Stamped on the generator data plate. The generator data plate is a metal plate or tag attached to the generator itself. It typically provides essential information about the generator, such as its model number, serial number, electrical ratings, and performance characteristics. The generator data plate is an important reference for maintenance personnel and serves as a reliable source of generator-specific information, including its rating and performance data. 8926. Residual voltage is a result of magnetism in the A. Field windings. B. Field. C. Armature. The correct answer is B. The correct answer is the field. Residual voltage is a result of the magnetism in the field of the generator or motor. The field is the component responsible for producing the magnetic field that interacts with the armature or stator windings to generate electricity. When the power supply is disconnected, the magnetic field in the field structure may still persist, resulting in residual voltage. 8927. In troubleshooting an electrical circuit, if an ohmmeter is properly connected across a circuit component and some value of resistance is read, A. The component has continuity and is open. B. Either the component or the circuit is shorted. C. The component has continuity and is not open. The correct answer is C. When the ohmmeter is properly connected to a component and displays a resistance value, it indicates that current is flowing through the component, thereby establishing continuity. This signifies that the circuit path is unbroken and the component is not open. The flow of current through the component allows the ohmmeter to measure the resistance, indicating a functional connection within the circuit. This continuity confirms that the component is not open or interrupted, enabling the proper functioning of the electrical circuit. 8928. CSD generators are usually cooled by A. Oil spray. B. An integral fan. C. Both ram air and an integral fan. The correct answer is A. In the case of an AC generator that is integrated with a constant speed drive, CSD, the cooling mechanism involves the delivery of an oil spray from the CSD section. This oil serves the purpose of cooling the generator. The CSD contains a reservoir that holds the oil used for this cooling process. The oil spray is directed onto the generator to dissipate heat and maintain optimal operating temperatures. By utilizing the oil spray delivered from the CSD's reservoir, the AC generator is effectively cooled, ensuring proper functioning and preventing overheating during operation.